Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Our recipe today is this scrumptious chicken wrap. I cook my chicken wrap different and I add a different filling to it. This is another vibe, another beautiful video. What is Barifem without quick fix? Hit the subscribe button and join the Barifem family. Okay, Barifemati ma ñëwati nag isil leen ay xeeti baax baax Barifem ma ñëw daal isil leen shawarma ganaar bu ne muut ngeen daal di try bi tamit. So these are my ingredients and I've just added my garlic and ginger. I've also got my knockers here. These are my mixed spices here, so I'm gonna start by adding my stock seasoning first. Add my black pepper and I've got some mixed herbs. Espice mélange poivre sel boole ko suñ knockers ak suñ ale bu gaaw. So we're going to be mixing all these in here, and then once we do that, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna chop these onions into fine nice dice and add it to our seasoning. This onion is gonna enhance the flavor, so we're going to add it there and just give it a good mix it nicely, massage it, gis ngeen jaxase ko bem baax. Su ko defee nag sa liñoŋ biñ ci dog noonu moom am na ci goût, am na ci charge. Just half an onion will be fine. You don't need too much. Right, so that's all mixed now. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna be chopping these vegetables, and you need to chop them very thin and fine because today I'm not gonna be using any salad. So I'm gonna be filling my wrap with these spring onions and bell peppers. I know it sounds a bit weird, but give it a try first because this is so scrumptious and delicious. You won't skimp a flavor. Give it a try and tell me what you think. Weeri koor bi di ñëw ngeen am seen xeeti baax baax yoo xam ne nag ñëpp di faral a def salad waaye try leen bi ma génneel leen fem bi tamit. This is how we make our homemade wraps with both me and my family, and we absolutely enjoy it. It's a different try. Give it a try and tell me what you think. So we're gonna be chopping. Make sure you cut it into these fine diced slices. Make sure it's very thin as possible, so that you can get the best texture. Ndax gannaaw dang ko yey na nga dal di ko dok yu sew. If you have a chopper, I do, but which I don't use often, but then this is how you need to make sure everything is chopped. So let's add a little bit of oil into our pan. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna start with our stir fry. So you add the seasoned chicken into the pan, add it to the oil, and we give it a bit of a stir fry. Okay, sa ganaar rek bi nga xam ne moom nga jël season ko bem baax moom nga jël nag daal di ko ci def nii ñu tooga suñ sauce bu ne muut. Ayca ana suma groupe yi Barifem maa ngi leen a nuyu di leen yekkal ci rab bi. So keep stirring it back and forth. Just give it a nice good stir. Look at how beautiful this looks, guys. So just cook it on medium heat. Right, so I'm gonna be adding some paprika to it, smoked paprika, just to give it that taste. Also, I've added Scotch bonnet pepper to the knockers, so I'll put everything on the screen and on the description box. Right, if you have any question, just feel free to write any comment and I'll answer you. Okay, so at this point paprika len ci yokka su la neexee nga yokka sa kaani. So you can add any chili of your choice if you want it hotter, but I just prefer to have it really just mild, not too hot as well. So I actually just added 1 tablespoon of flour and added some water to it, and I'm gonna be adding it here. This is in order to give it that creamy texture. Mooy ne rek lii moo ko jox nag mu jox ko mu neem ni dafa xala creamy ba nga xam ne du wow. So this is gonna make sure it's not gonna be dry, it's gonna be creamy, and it's gonna make it so nice, guys. Give this a try to your chicken wraps and you would see the taste. A lot of people choose lamb wraps or minced wrap to chicken wraps because of the chicken can get very easily dried, but this is one technique of it, and once you try it, it's an easy go-to. I cooked this in less than 30 minutes and we're good to go. So that's everything done now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be adding our wrap. You can see this sauce, the yellow sauce. I've actually done it in my lamb shawarma video. I'll just add the link here. If you want to watch how I made this yellow sauce, you can watch that video there. I've added some barbecue sauce, ketchup, and my peri femme, of course. You can add any hot chili sauce of your choice. This is the reason why you don't have to make the chicken very hot. So mix it up nicely and then you can start the wrap. Look at how beautiful these sauces look. I always like to mix different sauces for my wrap breads because it just gives it a different taste and the tang and everything to it. My peri femme is tangy as well and it has pepper, so this is why I like to keep it simple and nice. Perfect for iftar. Ramadan is by the corner. You can have this for iftar as well, or any starter occasion you're having. You can cook it as a starter as well. It's just the perfect scrumptious snack you can have, or dinner, because sometimes it's my go-to when I want to cook something quick. I just a bit Barry Femme Kitchen, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button like we do it here every Wednesdays. Quick fix with Barry Femme it is. Ay ca mbokk yi ñoo ko gisandoor su ko defee nag ñu daal ngeen daal di ma laalal abonné bi nanka. This is how I make my filling. Look at the wrap. I just sprinkle the filling on top once adding the chicken, and also you can add more sauce. I don't like my wrap too overfilled, so it's up to you, and we're going to be wrapping it this way. Just make sure you make it into little envelopes by first folding the two sides and rolling it into a nice perfect wrap. Look at this. Gis ngeen ni lañ koy lemee mbokk yi defee ko nii daal di jël nag sa poivron yi rek def ko ci kaw. Biir Barry Femme Kitchen saa su ne